I'm at 2205 Hood Avenue. We're in the old Brooklyn neighborhood of Cleveland, Ohio. This is new construction by Civic Builders. That's Broadview Road. We got Michael's Bakery right there. Never Say Dive, which is a really cool bar restaurant. Metropolitan Coffee Shop down the street. Gabe's Diner. So lots of good stuff within walking distance. So we got a 2-car garage. Of course, everything's new. And we got a nice little yard area too. And we'll head inside. Got a nice porch. And let's head in. So we got laminate flooring here. Huge windows up front. Just big windows. Feels really nice in here. It's just very comfortable. It's kind of gray out, but there's enough lighting here and the colors and everything, it just feels very comfortable. So we've got a great room, kind of dining area here. We've got these 2 windows that kind of define that. And then we've got a large living area up there. And we have a coat closet when you walk in the door. Now we also have the extended countertop. It's all quartz, and you've got room for stools. And we've got a vented microwave hood, so that vents to the outside, all set up for gas, set up for a fridge. And we do have a dishwasher and disposal already in there. So we got craft-made cabinets. You can see they're dovetailed. It's a good sign for a cabinet. It's a good, strong cabinet. When you come in the back door, you've got a big coat closet back here because probably this is the entrance you'll be using most. So walk in, got an area to put your shoes, coats, and then you walk into your beautiful great room. So hidden kind of around the corner here. This is the door to the basement. We'll go down there in a little bit, but we've got the half bath. And then we'll head upstairs. Nice big stairway, got wood steps, stained to match the laminate, and the railing stained to match also. So you come up, you got a nice little area here that's big enough to move furniture, etc. And we've got our full bath. We got ceramic tile, and we got the bathtub surround here. So that's our first full bath. Linen closet. And we got carpet in the bedrooms. We got bedroom number 1 and closet. So again, the laminate runs through the hallway. Bedroom number 2. Ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. So they opened this up between the stairwell and the hallway to kind of give it better space, more light, which is awesome. And we've got our bedroom level laundry set up for side by side, and then got a little bit of storage on top there. And we have the primary bedroom, lots of light. Got 4 good sized windows, ceiling fan again. And we've got a walk-in closet. So good sized closet. And the bathroom. So again, we got the ceramic tile floor, quartz counters, and we've got the walk-in shower, glass door, ceramic tile surround. And we got some cubbies over here for towels or whatever you want to do. And we got a awning window here. Let's show you the basement. So my shtick for the basement in new construction is that you can have the best renovated house in the world, but it's still gonna have an old basement. So the biggest difference between new construction and like a complete renovation is the basement, because you can't really beat the new construction basement. So your mechanicals down here at this end, which leaves that whole end to do whatever you want. And it even opens up back here more once you get past the stairwell. So you got this big area here. You know, you could finish it, use it as is, throw some carpets down here and just use it as is. So it's a great extra space, great for storage. It feels good down here, you know. So it's, you know, feels dry. And yeah, so like I said, great neighborhood, Old Brooklyn. You are right off 480. You're right off of State Route 176. Steelyard is minutes away. Downtown is minutes away. And the thing about Old Brooklyn, the way it's centered in the city is that if you have a job where you've got to kind of work regionally, like drive around, this is it, because you can get anywhere from this neighborhood faster than almost any place in the region. So that's a great thing about the neighborhood, and it's a great community. And that's all I got.